Well, hey there, this is Jerry from the Happy Place Diaries. And I realize we haven't been on a lot lately, and when we have been on, we've been doing some product stuff. So I just wanted to touch base. I am currently standing where our RV should be, and which is why we haven't been putting out RV content, because it ain't here and we're not out in it. And so it's really hard to shoot those videos about RVing when there ain't no RV. So our Montana is currently in the shop getting some repairs done, and I'll go into great detail about all of those repairs when we get it back, and I'll show you what they had to do, and one thing led to another. What I will tell you is check your seams and seals. Check all of your seams and seals. This became a self-inflicted wound. Luckily, it was contained and things could get fixed. But needless to say, I just wanted to check in because we haven't put out RV content in a while, and it's because it's just not here. And so we should have 41 feet of goodness right here, and we don't. Now we're expecting it back here in the next week or so, and so anyway, but the damage is pretty extensive, to the point where it's actually been at the factory. It had to go to the factory to get repaired because the local dealer couldn't do it. Well, it wasn't cost effective to have it done at the dealer, and with ordering parts and all that stuff, it really had to be done at the factory. So it's been there since April 1st, and it is now the first week of June, and they gave us an update yesterday. They have one more thing to repair, and then I'll be able to go out and pick it up. Anyway, without beating that horse to death, I just wanted to touch base and let you know that we're still alive. We don't want to keep doing just endless product videos, although we do have one more coming out next week, a water filtration system that isn't what you think when we're talking about RVs. But anyway, that and Keystone has some new branding stuff that we want to get into. Check Instagram for a lot of that, but we'll be talking about that here on the channel also, because it's pretty exciting. At least for us it is, and we hope that we could share our story with this new branding that Keystone is doing. It makes sense. Anyway, again, just wanted to touch base, and if you have any suggestions for videos that you want to see in the future, any products that you want to see, we will be getting back out in the RV toward the end of this month, and then we've got a couple week-long trips coming up. So as soon as we get this space filled again, we can get it loaded up and get back out on the road. In the meantime, we're just working on the backyard, getting things done out here, and just waiting for the RV. Okay, enough of that. I'm just babbling now. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for coming along.